Do you want to view blocked people on Facebook? You can find blocked friends on Facebook with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To view blocked people on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap on the profile picture or three-line menu at the top right corner. If you are using iPhone, it is in the bottom right. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings from the expanded menu. A new screen will appear. Scroll down and tap on Blocking under the Audience and Visibility section. Now, you will see a list of all the people you have blocked on Facebook. From this screen, you can tap the Unblock button next to any person if you wish to allow them to interact with you again.